Good morning.
Say, hey, bird. Put your phone up to him. Like, right up to him. Looks like he's taking over this channel.
You're gonna have your own blog now? Yeah. Wow. Well, I haven't even looked at myself today.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is a special brand of crazy right there. So yeah, I've just been sitting here talking to my mom, talking to Cornelius, talking to Ethan.
I'm here.
Yes, Ethan is here. And I really need to take care of my hair. Now we're looking at hats that we could put on Cornelius.
Listen up, Susan.
We really want Cornelius to have a hat. Gabriel woke up and he's coughing his head off. So, I have just administered a COVID test and I'm waiting for the results. Yay. And I'm going to probably call him out for today's performance. So, yeah. Look at us.
It's gorgeous.
We're walking. Outside. It is beautiful. Spring. It's like a perfect spring day.
And it smells good.
Yeah, it smells like spring.
Crispy bird, crispy bird, crispy bird.
All right, I am waiting for Julian. He has rehearsal this evening for Seussical. And they were supposed to mow the lawn today. And they didn't tell me. Well, I think that they basically got their school done and then timed it so it would be like he would be able to do it with just enough time until he had to go to rehearsal. But then there wasn't any gas in the mower, and then by the time they told me, it wouldn't have gotten mowed. So that's a whole thing that we're dealing with right now. I'm gonna hang out at rehearsal for a little bit. I love this show. Yeah. Final clip. All right. So Gabriel has been coughing most of the day, but he feels okay. I have given him a little bit of medicine and put Vicks VapoRub on him, and he's gonna sleep tonight, and we'll figure out if he should perform tomorrow. We've gotten the call sheet. He has an understudy rehearsal in the afternoon and a performance at night. So I'm just going to see how tonight goes and see if he's congested tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.